In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up, open a Coinbase account in Nigeria, 2025. By the end, you'll have a brand new Coinbase account and be ready to start your identity verification. You'll need a reliable internet connection, a valid email address you can access immediately, and a mobile number that can receive SMS messages in Nigeria. Keep your government ID nearby for later, since verification is required to unlock features. Also, remember that availability of certain services can vary by region, so what you see may differ slightly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase. Click the official result for Coinbase.com and double-check the URL to avoid phishing sites. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button and click it. You'll be asked what kind of account you want to create. If you're signing up for yourself, choose a personal or individual account rather than a business account. Enter your email address carefully, use an inbox you monitor regularly, and avoid shared or work emails if possible. Click Continue. Coinbase will send a verification code to that email. Open your inbox, find the message, and enter the code exactly as shown. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder, and if needed, request a new code. These codes expire, so act promptly and never share them with anyone. Next, create a strong password. Aim for a long, unique passphrase you don't use anywhere else, and consider storing it in a reputable password manager. Click Continue. You'll now provide your first and last name. Enter them exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID to avoid issues during verification. Then add your mobile number and click Continue. Make sure the country code is set to Nigeria's +234. When you type your number, drop any leading zero and confirm that the format looks correct. You'll receive a text message with a verification code. Enter that code on the screen. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment, check your signal, and request a new code only if necessary. Again, don't share verification codes. That's it. You've created your Coinbase account. From here, you can begin identity verification. Coinbase may ask for details like your birth date, address, a government ID, and a quick selfie to confirm your identity. Completing this step helps secure your account and unlocks features that depend on local regulations. Once you're in, consider strengthening your security with an authenticator app for two-factor protection. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each screen to ensure everything matches your official documents.